Sa journey niya as leadership, how have you led your people? Coaching, mentoring, an activity, an intentional choice to lead others to understand or lead them to their capabilities, to have accountability, and of course, growth. And of course, leadership conversations. Coaching builds trust and credibility, improves decision quality, and it leads to self-awareness, emotional regulation, and even psychological safety. And strengthens accountability, improves problem solving, and builds leadership readiness. Who among you are comfortable with feedback? Feedback is what's already happening. Kaya lang lagi siyang focus dun sa situation lang. Walang moving forward. Feedback, focus on what happens and what matters or why it matters. And feed forward, focus on, dito papasok yung may konting coaching. May accountability na, may develops capability, mentoring, and reinforces learning. So use the feedback and feed forward to guide improvement. Let's have the culture of feedback. Or let's love the culture of feedback.